Skustack makes it easy to protect your products, especially valuable items like jewelry or electronics, by keeping track of their serial numbers at all times. With Skustack, you'll be able to effortlessly associate each serial number with the corresponding product, making it easy to verify the authenticity of any returns. Plus, you can trace the origin of each unit, providing even more protection for your business. Here's how it works. Simply head over to the Product Info tab and scan the SKU to find your product. On the product page, select Serials. Then click Manage Serials. A list of all serial numbers for this SKU will be displayed. You can filter serial numbers by PO by clicking on the filter icon. You can also search for a specific serial number. Once you select your serial or multiple serials, you can print them straight away. Managing serial numbers has never been easier or more efficient. Try Skustack today.